Hello children. In the last episode, we had seen about a moral values. Today, we are going to see a human values. Are you ready children? Human values. The Human Values for Kids Foundation was founded upon the principles of peace, truth, righteousness, non-violence and love with a simple motto to change the world on heart. At a time through universal human values that apply to all people at all times in all places. What are the 5 human values? The 5 human values are love, peace, truth, right conduct and non-violence, which are inherent in every human being or the perennial stream, which alone can provide sustenance to the nurturing of the societal values in young minds. Importance of human values. Value education enable us to understand our needs and visualize our goals correctly and also indicate the direction for their fulfillment. It also helps remove our confusions and contradictions and enable us to rightly utilize technological innovations. Why do we need values in life? Values reflect our sense of right and wrong. They help us to grow and develop. They help us create the future we want. The decision we make every day are reflection of our values. Everything you think, everything you feel, every action you take is because of your belief and values. You may not be aware of it, you may not be conscious of it, but your values shape your decisions and your decision shape your life. If you value money more than happiness, your life might be full. But there will be no joy if that experience. Your value signal what is important to you. There are emotionally states that show what is important and what you want experience. Imagine how different your life would be if you changed your value of money and replace it with the value of love creatings. And starting your value consciously can change the direction of your life. If you decide to apply any of these values to your life in your own words, in your own way, your own life will be one of more value. The following are the 10 most important human values. They are health and energy, love, gratitude and appreciation, kindness and compassion, integrity, giving, growth, peace, family, friendship and connection, happiness. Dear children, the human value story will come soon. Wait and watch.